Foundation footing. The foundation footing are a type of shallow foundation. A footing is a structural element that serves as a foundation to a pillar, wall, or other surface element, transmitting the effects to get its land. Classification footing by their action. According to the section or edge of the footing, these distinct elements respond differently to the loads that affect it. These require a certain size and they need something to be armed. Solid footing, mass concrete. The only solid footing under compression is a footing that doesn't not need to go armed, but you can put a little armor if the loading requires it, and thus prevent the foundation to open cast armor. This section is often used more pads and continuous foundation footing in isolation. Rigid footing, concrete. The rigid footing is usually armed with a load of from about 25 to 40 kilograms per cubic meter. The reference bars are used to a minimum diameter of about 12 millimeters to prevent corrosion. Its minimum thickness is 8 centimeters. Flexible footing, reinforcing concrete. The footing flexi for a size is subject to both compression stress and tensile. The frame distributes the tensile force production in the bottom of the footing. Reading footing shallow foundation for this work are applied in a shallow foundation in clay conglomerates on rocky slope where they are kept vertical excavation or the slope necessary to ensure stability. Preliminary work. Before starting the foundation must perform the following tasks. Geotechnical survey considering 1. Curtain and extractive level of the water table. 2. Aggressive of the soil. 3. Measurable characteristic, endometrial modular, etc. 4. Estimating to the depth of the foundation. After conduction, clearing, or drying, prepare the surface with sufficient flatten to retain the footing. Prior to conduction, direct foundation footing must have full knowledge of the terrain and whether there are so far and cap the prevent the execution of the work. Concrete. Prior the employee should be analyzed and have passed the assembly and the formulas, proposed work and material of the concrete compounds. Verify the result of a compression, fracture, and trans-equipment. Positive vibration and to be used in water. Foam work and dismantling. Check the technical documentation and dimension to withstand the height the concrete is 1 with height and the width the form and the probable accidental overland that the home impacted to 10. Foam work. You must ensure that the components of the form and the union have sustained strength not the form. Check the pressure of fresh concrete and the effect the method of compaction.
The foundation of footings are the professional foundation. Footings are structural element that serves the foundation to pillar, while others separate element, transmitting the effort to carry his plan. Start digging with the backhoe without support. In the case of landscapes, a hammer in case of rocket terrain and conglomerate. According to the terrain on the excavation, slopes are slabs to ensure their stability. At the bottom of the excavation is the level of unshaked the ground, considering the condition of overall stress of the project is expected to make the foundation. For pouring the concrete carrying with the bottom of the excavation by removing adding loose material to avoid the horizontal platform. If necessary, place the lateral work, checking the dimension and slope, after placing the layer of concrete to level the bottom of the excavation and preparation for the positioning of the armor. The concrete bomb or carrying cupola. The concrete is placed with direct chain from hanging glass that are equal to 1.5 meters. Training in order to investigate and considering the element. Concrete must be helpful that there are no form of experiment for calling and training not to form units or plans of seconds within this section. Cooling is done by irrigation water a very special liquid cooked for 7 days. This operation is performed on all process sprays after the breaking sprays and cleaning the end to turn the occurrence of practice can ground for moisture loss.